really like having this bigger version of overnight oats because in the morning it's all ready and you can go ahead and add whatever toppings, you know, berries and chocolate or whatever you want on top. So I also like using the Califia Farms almond coconut milk, and that adds a really great flavor too. But today I just have the regular almond milk, the unsweetened, and so that's what we'll be using. I went ahead and mashed up 2 bananas to begin. And now I'm going to be adding a cup of oatmeal. I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of buckwheat, 1/8 of a cup of flaxseed, 1/8 of a cup of hemp hearts, and a 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Just going to mix it all up just a little bit before I add the milk. I'll be adding 2 3/4 cups of almond milk, and like I said, I really like using the coconut almond milk also. And stir it up, and I'd also say when you put it in the refrigerator, every so often give it another stir so things don't get clumpy at the bottom. But in the morning you'll have a nice big batch and you can just add whatever toppings that you like. Blueberries or strawberries, raspberries, it's kind of endless. Cacao nibs are really good. So just be creative. It's also really good if you want to add a little bit of real maple syrup. That's always good. And I really recommend this cinnamon also. It has a really good taste. You get it from King Arthur flour. I'll put a link in the description box below and you can check it out too. Real vanilla adds a really great taste also. Making one of my favorite smoothies today, so let me show you how. So in my NutriBullet, I already added a 1/2 a frozen banana. So be adding that. Next, we'll be adding a 1/2 a cup of frozen beets. And a 1/2 a cup of frozen cherries. And about a tablespoon of almond butter. It's optional. You can also add a tablespoon of your favorite protein powder also if you like. And then I'm going to be adding about 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. I'm also going to add a little bit of maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you can also throw in a couple dates.